Good morning, dear students. So, today we will see virtual desktops. So, Microsoft has introduced a new feature in Windows 10 called virtual desktop. Here you can organize and group your applications in different virtual desktops. Okay, so to create a virtual desktop, follow the given steps. In step 1, click on task view on the taskbar. On the top border, click on the new desktop option. You can access or delete the new desktop by clicking task view again. So this is the steps actually it has given for creating the virtual desktop. So you people do try who has either desktop or this thing laptop at your home, but make sure that the Windows version is 10, then only you'll be able to do this one. Okay, now file and folder. Okay, I'll give you a brief discussion also about this, but before that let us see what it has given in the book. When you save a document to your computer, it gets saved in the hard drive and becomes a file. A file is a collection of data or information stored in the hard disk or any other storage media. It has two important features, a file name and a location. Okay, and a folder is a location for storing and organizing files that are similar or related to each other inside a folder. There cannot be two files with the same name. In addition to files, a folder can also contain other folder. This is like a bigger box containing smaller boxes and each similar box holding even smaller boxes. A folder within a folder is called subfolder. Okay, let me tell you one thing. When you will create a file like Excel file, Word file, whatever it is, okay, anything, so that will be information of data, in the sense whatever data you are writing. Suppose a document file, whenever you are writing something on that file, okay, you need to put a name also while saving. So when you save this thing, it will ask for the destination actually where you would like to save it. So you'll have to specify that one. Okay, and under that you'll have to save this one. So that is called the folder. So a file always stored under a folder, but a folder cannot be stored under a file. A folder can have main folder, after that the subfolder. Like this way you can create as per your own requirement. Okay, so folder can have the subfolders also. Okay, next is creating a folder on desktop. To create a folder on the desktop, follow the given steps. Right click on the blank space of the desktop, a menu will appear. It is like this actually. Right click on the desktop. Okay, first this menu will come, after that you'll have to go to new option. Okay, click on new from the cascading menu. This is called the cascading menu. So from here you select on new. Okay, from the cascading menu select folder. Here is the folder. Okay, this arrow when it will come means when you will select this new from the cascading, okay, then the folder you'll have to select. A new folder appears with a default name called new folder, which can be renamed. Okay, so this new folder you can make it renamed as per your own requirement. Next is creating a file in folder. To create a file in a folder, follow the given steps. Step number 1, double click on the folder to open. A window will launch. Right click on the window, a menu appears. Click on new, a cascading menu will appear. This is called the cascading menus. Okay, select the type of file you want to create. For example, to create an Excel sheet, select Microsoft Excel worksheet. Enter a name for the file. Double click on the icon to open the file and start working on it. That is it. Okay, after that the renaming a file or folder. To rename a file or folder, follow the given steps. Right click on the file or folder icon and select the rename option. Press backspace or delete key on the keyboard and type the new name. Press the enter key to finish the renaming. That's it. These are all very easy. Fine, so you can practice on your laptop or desktop, whatever you have at your home. Okay, that way you do. Okay, in revise, let's see, you need to revise also this one, whatever we have studied so far. So these are all the gist actually. So Windows 10 is the latest operating system introduced by Microsoft. Task view is the view in which you can switch between the virtual desktops. Cortana is present next to the start button. It is our digital assistant. New login facility is available in Windows 10 where we can log in without a password. Icon is the graphic representation of a file or application. Virtual desktop is the desktop in which multiple screens can be organized at a time. The background of the desktop can be modified. A file is a collection of data or information stored on a hard disk or any other storage media. A folder is a location for storing and organizing files that are similar or related to each other. Okay, so this much will be the thing that we have seen today, and next we will see the exercises. Fine, so do revise the whole chapter so that it will be easier for you to understand while you do answer for the questions being given in the exercise. Okay, have a great